Thinking about a new AC machine? Look no further than Cornwell. This fully automatic R134a recovery machine boasts an industry-leading 98.5% recovery efficiency and half-ounce accuracy to ensure every AC system service will perform as expected. In addition, it's designed with exclusive features to make AC service efficient and profitable, such as two 12-foot service hoses to reach AC service ports when a vehicle is lifted, allowing technicians to perform other jobs simultaneously. A 3 CFM 2-stage vacuum pump which provides a fast, deep vacuum to properly service AC systems. It includes an on-screen refrigerant and oil capacity database so you don't need to search for labels or specifications. It features 2 injection bottles, one for oil and one for UV dye, eliminating the need for separate injection tools. It also includes a dust cover and a 2-year warranty, parts and labor to protect your investment. It's fully automatic. Program a recovery, vacuum, leak test, and/or charge sequence and let the machine do all the work. It gives technicians the freedom to perform other jobs during the AC service. Speaking of automatic, it refills the internal tank with a dedicated hose, no reminders needed. After evacuation, it will perform a vacuum test and inform of any possible leaks in the AC system. Not to mention a built-in flush system to prevent cross-contamination of oils. With a multilingual color display, visual and audible alarms, and automatic oil drain, this unit is the perfect choice for any shop that wants to boost their AC business. Get your hands on this AC machine by ordering from your local Cornwell dealer today.